This video will demonstrate how you can add an item to a content area. Items are things such as Word documents, PDF files, PowerPoint files, and text you type on the screen. These are instructional materials, your syllabus, any sort of documentation that you want the students to have. So to do this, you need to go to the control panel and you need to locate the content areas. The content areas are listed in the upper left-hand corner of the control panel, and you'll select the content area in which you want to upload one of these items. In this example, we'll do weekly modules. If you've created folders within a content area and you want to put an item inside one of the folders, you actually need to click on the folder and go inside the folder to add the item. So let's say we want to add something to week 4. We click on the link to week 4 and that takes us inside the week 4 folder. But the way that you know you're inside the right folder is by the page title, which is listed at the top of the page. So let's say we add our item. So to do that, you just click on the item button and located in the toolbar. The first thing you need to do is add a name for your item. So let's call this new item. Just like you can change the color of a folder when you add it to a content area, you can do that here with an item. This time we'll just leave it black. If you have instructions to the students on what they need to do with the item or just basic text, you would put that in this field here. You can either copy and paste it from Word or you can type it in to the field here. If you're adding a table, you can add a table by clicking this button right here, and that'll give you the table properties to set that up. So let's just type some text. If you're just typing this and not pasting it from Word, you may want to use the spell check button, which is located right here. Once you're done, you scroll down to section 2. You can attach a file just like you do when you attach a file to an email. You have to click Browse and locate the file. For this one, we'll just add this PDF file here. You can create a name of the link if you want. If you don't put anything in here, which you don't have to, it'll use whatever name the file is. In the Special Actions drop-down, you have 3 options. You can create a link to this file, which will open it in a new window. The Display Media file within the page will open it within the actual Blackboard browser window. And unpackage this file means that it's a zip file that you're uploading, so don't use this if you're not using a zip file. Section 3 is the same as the options section when you're adding a folder. And so if you want to know more about this, go to the video adding a folder within a content area to set this up. When you're all done and satisfied, you click Submit. When it's done, it'll give you a success receipt letting you know that the item has been added. Click OK, and that will take you back to the week 4 folder. You have the name of the item, you have the link to the item if you uploaded anything, and this is the instruction text. If you ever want to go back in and change anything, you could just go over to the right hand side and click the Modify button. And that is how you add an item to a content area.